All right, we are in. 2 lines out, power bait on, 2 different flavors, both yellow in color. 1 high, 1 low. Harry's out there, he's got some worm on a jig head. See if we can get some fishing action in here. Maybe Mister Quackers will bring us luck. Huh? How about that, Mister Quackers? You gonna bring us luck? Hmm? What do you think, Harry? It's gotta be good luck, right? Alright, we'll bring you back if we get some fish biting. Alright guys, we got a bite here. Give him an opportunity to swim around out there and get himself hooked up real good. Oh, I got him on. He's on. Fish on, finally. At the Magic Lake, we have a trout in pan coming up. That seems like a nice one. Ooh, looky there. It's a nice one. Woo! Yes, indeed. I can smell the catch and cook coming. What do you think, Harry? Nice trout? That looks like a nice trout to me.
Looks like a good trout to me.
Wow. Yeah. Looks like first one for the bag, guys. First one. Yes, indeed.
Where's your jar of power bait?
Look.
Do you need anything to get that out with?
No, I have a thing.
Okay.
I think somewhere in my pockets. Yeah, here. Live? He's going on the grill, man. He ain't living. His days for living, he's going to be released into a pan of butter and garlic. Just want to get him over here where we can get him dispatched and taken care of, and then we'll get back in there. All right? Well, there you go. Mister Quackers is definitely a luck charm to have around. We got the first 2 bites while Mister Quackers was in our neighborhood. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. All right, we got a bite again, guys. I'm gonna let him take it and swim with it a little bit, so I can. Oh, I got him. Here comes trout number 2. Ooh, feels like a good one too. Feels like a good one. Ooh, he is. Not a bad one there. Not a bad trout at all. All right. Well, we got 2. As long as we can get this one in, that'll be number 2. Woohoo! What do you think, Mister Quackers? Huh? Woohoo! Get him in here. We don't want to lose him. Fish number 2. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm tasting these already in the butter and garlic. Huh? Oof. Yeah. All right, 2 trout. And Mister Quackers was coming back to visit us again, so maybe he had something to do with this one. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this guy off and hang him up with the other one, and then I'll bring you guys back when I cast back out. All right? Want to be some good stuff. Oop, there's a bite. I got him, Harry. Comes trout number 3 for Ron. This one's feisty. He is fighting up a storm. Whoa, let's go. Let's go there, Mr. Trout. So you want to use one of my rods, add it to your arsenal? Huh? Sure. Alright, this is trout number 3. That's going to put the kibosh on me fishing. So, but Harry can still catch 3 more. He didn't catch any yet, so we're going to let him use my rod and That way he's allowed 3 rods, so I'm gonna get the other one out of the water and let him use my rods. Nice little trout. All right, that makes 3. Took care of that. Took care of them making a butt out of me. This one is for the first day I didn't catch anything. The second day and today. That takes 3. Deck the bows with lots of trout. Harry's got a bite, and we'll get another fish. Reel it up a little bit, Harry, and see if you can keep up with him with the bite. And that way, you'll know when to set the hook. If he's pulling on it, let him thump it a little bit. Keep reeling up a little bit. You got to get the slack up. You got him? All right, Harry's first fish. All right, we're doing all right here today. Huh? We're gonna deck them bows with lots of trout. You got a big one there maybe, Harry, huh? Just watch, that's like 4-pound test, 3.5, 4-pound test, not really heavy test. All right, bring it over here and get him up on the bank. Ooh, it's a nice brownie. Huh? Come up over this way. There we go, nice brownie. Nice brown trout. Good, nice job, Harry. That's okay. He's got meat on him. He's been in there a while, starving. Here, you need these? All right, so we're gonna have to deck the bows with lots of trout. La 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 la. Lots of trout hanging in the bush. Oh, Harry got another fish. Look, I must start singing some more so he can. I know. You want me to bait this up for you?
No.
Sure? He's off? Nothing? All right, well, ring it up and we'll rebait it. It's fishing?
It's fishing.
It's fishing if you get skunked? It's fishing if you don't get skunked, right?
Yeah. Fishing.
Well, at least you didn't get skunked. I'm glad you came with. You must have been my good luck charm. Because Mister Quackers left. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He's coming back. Mister Quackers. Keepy alla weepy. Come on, you like that little duck, don't you?
As long as you don't get that fish along that.
Harry got a fish. Fish on for Harry. Fish number 2 for Harry. Look at that nice one there, Harry. He's fighting you good. Don't lose him. You're bringing him up. He was out there a ways. Nice rainbow. Nice rainbow trout. The muskie must have been after him a few times. Huh?
Yeah, he's really beat up. It's down.
I got the thing. I'll get it up. Got it? Buddy. Tell you what, buddy, we're going to be leaving here soon. Yep, we're going to be leaving here soon. Now, if you could bring us enough luck to get that last trout, that'd be all right. No? Not gonna do it? Maybe? Alright, we'll see you later, Mr. Quackers.
Be fun to try laying them on this light stuff.
On this?
Yeah.
You wanna go crappie?
Catch a crappie.
Crappie fishing.
Or some gills.
Some wintertime crappie fishing.
Some gills.
Yeah. Alright, well, till next time. This water is stocked with trout. Yep, there's some there too. Well, less 5. Harry and I got 5 today. Here we go, guys. 5 nice trout. And they're gonna taste really good. Every once in a while, your efforts pay off. Now, they're not the biggest trout in the world, but big enough to eat. It'll be good on the table. Alright, thanks for watching. Then maybe I'll do a catch and cook with these. We'll see. Okay? Alright. God bless y'all.